Okay, I'm gonna record going down into Buena Vista. Hope you enjoy the ride. I forgot to take my car mount for the cell phone, the dash cam mount, out of my previous car, the white Sienna. So I had to get a new mount today. Hopefully this will work good. Now it starts getting interesting. I'm still not positive where I'm going to end up going yet. The plan is to stay by Twin Lakes tonight after stopping in Buena Vista for a few hours. And then tomorrow morning, hitting the Independence Pass and going down into Aspen. I've been having a problem getting my vehicles roadworthy, and I just had this one checked out and the fan control module replaced, so hopefully it'll stay at or below temperature. I've been in Colorado for 29 years. And I've never gone west of Independence Pass. So that's part of the goal today. When I say I've never been west of Independence Pass, that's while I was living in Colorado and in Colorado. I have been to California. I used to live in California when I was really little. Oh, look at that view. That is incredible.